I've seen AI videos that look like Hollywood movies struggle to make 300 views. Yet a simple AI video makes 3 million views with no aesthetic, no Hollywood background, no expensive equipment. They just work. All they did was focus on this formula, and that's exactly what I'm going to detail in this video. If your AI videos struggle to make views episode after episode, you're doing something wrong. You need to stop, take a step back, and apply this formula. Most creators think that better visuals equal more views, but that's the biggest mistake AI creators are making. Why don't you focus on this proven formula that actually works? 1. The hook. The hook is the single most important part of your video. The first 3 seconds of your video has the potential to make that video or break that video. What do you show first? What do you want people to see first? How do you draw people into your message? How do you make them want to stay and listen? Why exactly should they leave thousands of videos they're scrolling through and watch yours? The hook is the single most important part of your video. It has the power to make your video or break your video. Even before they get the chance to see what the video is actually all about, listen, you may have an amazing story, a fantastic piece of content, but once your hook is a flop, people are going to scroll past. They're going to miss all the juicy details that you've stored in that video. So you need to pay attention to the hook. You need to learn how to create hooks that are irresistible, hooks that anybody that sees them wants to know exactly what happens in that video. You need to take the highlight of your video and bring it to the front. That's not necessarily the only thing that you can do. You can actually start the video off strong by making the first scene of that story or episode very catchy. Once the first 3 to 5 seconds of that video is very catchy, you are on your way to the top. Trust me, I have used hooks to make thousands and thousands of views. In fact, one of my videos is currently sitting at 4.3 million views. A single episode got me over 100,000 followers on TikTok. And this is my story across all my social media platforms. So do not ever take your hook for granted. The second important thing you need to focus on is curiosity. You need to build curiosity. You need to keep your audience curious. You need to keep them wondering what's going to happen in the next episode. You need to keep them wondering what's going to happen at the end of your video. That's a secret way to grow in AI storytelling. You need to conserve the story in such a way that you build suspense, in such a way that you build curiosity in the minds of your audience. The best performing AI videos make people ask what's going to happen next. I want to know. They're going to follow you. They're going to save that video. They're going to share it to themselves. They're going to do whatever they need to do to make sure that the next episode pops up on their FYP once you post it. So you need to be able to build that curiosity in their mind to enable them want to know what that video is going to bring. They want to hear the rest of the story. The third thing you need to focus on is emotion. You need to create some kind of emotion in the minds of your audience. You need to make them cry. You need to make them laugh. You need to make them learn something. They just need to feel something from watching your video, okay? They should just not watch it and just not feel anything. They're going to just move on to the next video. That's exactly what's going to make them want to share that video, because they've been able to relate to that video in some kind of emotional way or the other. They need to be able to see themselves or people they know in your video. That way they're going to share it to that person that can relate to that video even better, or somebody they feel like would benefit from the video, whether to make the person laugh or make the person cry or teach the person something. Higher shareability equals to more views. The more the videos are being shared, the bigger the reach, the wider the network, the wider the fan base that you're building. So make sure in your next AI video storytelling, you add emotion to it. Give them something that makes them feel. Give them something that makes them relate and draws them into your content. Okay, it's very important to create emotion in the minds of your audience. The next most important thing is the story. The story is the ish. The story is exactly why they're in your channel, they're in your faces, they're in your social media. Even a 20 seconds video need a beginning, a conflict, and a payoff. The story must be coherent. The story must make sense. Even in just one episode, you don't need them to watch 10 episodes to draw them into that message. Even if your video is as little as 20 seconds, it must be coherent. Even if you're posting a story that is just relatable, maybe just something that an average lady or an average man faces daily, and that video is not long, maybe it's just about 20 seconds, you need to be able to create it in such a way that it is coherent. There must be a payoff, there must be an end. Don't cut your story off in the middle. Don't just keep them going and then just break that story. The story has to make sense till the end. Even if it's just a single episode, they do not really need to watch the entire video for them to be able to relate to that story. Keep that in mind when you're writing your next story. The final important thing you need to pay attention to is audience retention. You need to retain your audience. You need to keep them watching till the end. They need to finish that video, because platforms reward videos that keep people watching till the end, not videos that takes the longest to make. All these platforms, they pay you based on your audience retention rate. It's part of what they use to calculate your RPM, okay? Your retention rate affects how far the algorithm is going to push your video. So you need to have a high retention rate. You need to make sure that people are watching your video till the end, because that's exactly what these platforms want. Now, let me give you an example. A cinematic robot walking through a futuristic city. Yeah, that might look incredible, but it gets ignored. An AI
I am
generated
giving it
grandmother
all
who
back.
wins a
Every single
lottery,
penny
and then
goes
she
to
gives
them.
every single penny out to charity. Now, the reason why that video is going to make millions and millions of views is because people want to see what happens next. She has won the lottery. Okay, what next? But just a cinematic robot walking through a futuristic city. Okay, it's cool, but it does not retain audience. Okay, it does not spark curiosity. But you see the grandmother that wins a lottery. First
I
of
am
all, there's an
giving it
emotion
all
of
back.
joy that
Every
everybody's going to
single
feel
penny
for her,
goes to
and then
them.
the next emotion is curiosity. What is going to happen next? What is going to happen next? Okay, when she gives this money to charity, what happens next? What is charity going to do? Is she going to die eventually? Is she going to change her mind? There's so many ways this video can go. So that's exactly what keeps your audience watching. Your audience isn't asking how realistic are the AI videos. Your audience are asking, why should I care? The moment you answer that question, your AI storytelling journey changes forever. So before creating your next AI video, make sure you pay attention to the hook, the curiosity, the emotion, the story, and retention. With all these few points, I hope your next video goes viral, and I hope God helps us in this AI storytelling journey that we're embarking on. See you on the next one. Bye.